Hi everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to use my Essential Presets pack for DaVinci Resolve. These are recreations of my Premiere Pro presets in DaVinci Resolve and will help you make YouTube-friendly videos super quick. But first things first, if you have downloaded the pack, then make sure you have followed my How to Install DaVinci Presets video, including how to install the audio effects. Now, let's get into using these. In the Edit workspace, find your Essential Subtitles. These are simple drag and drop subtitles, giving you basic text animations with pops, rotations, and a few more. Just make sure to adjust their length with the handles from the right-hand side. Now, let's go over to video effects. There are a bunch of pre-tuned effects that can jazz up your videos. Just drag and drop them onto whatever you want. They include turning footage black and white, a deep-fried meme look, a circle crop, and this one. And a pre-tuned Ultra key that you can drag onto your green screen image to remove the background. Onto slides. Just drag and drop a slide onto a clip or adjustment layer, or JPEG or PNG, and now it will slide into view. Just make sure, like the subtitles, to adjust the length with the handles on the right. If you've cut up an image with the blade tool, then before you add your slide, right-click the clip and select New Fusion Clip, then add your slide. There's also a bunch of slide outs in the pack. To use them, just cut where you want the slide out to begin, and then turn the clip into a Fusion clip, and then add the slide out. I also have a bunch of presets with both slide in and out. To use them, just turn your clip into a Fusion clip, and then add the slide in and out. Now let's talk zooms. Just drag and drop again onto an adjustment layer, making sure to use the right side handles to change the length. There are a bunch of zooms that punch into the center, top left, bottom right, and all over. And there's a cool little slider here that you can adjust to make the zoom in faster or longer. And by using the main zoom in, you can change the pivot point to choose where you want the zoom to go into.
Editing is the coolest thing.
Let's add another zoom. To zoom out again, place a new adjustment layer where you want the zoom out to begin and add the zoom out. You now have a smooth zoom out.
Editing is the coolest thing.
There are also a bunch of transitions in the effects folder. First, drag an adjustment layer onto your footage and line up the right-hand side with the end of your clip that you want to transition out of. Then Alt and drag to make a copy of that will go to the beginning of the footage you want to transition to. Drag part 1 of the transition onto the first part, then drag part 2 onto the second part. Now you have your transition. I've gone with 12 frames for each adjustment layer here, but you can make them as long or as short as you want. Finally, there are those audio effects you installed. These presets are within the Fairlight effects, and the full list is in the document included with the presets. Let's just go over a few. Drag and drop reverb onto your audio. I've included 3 cool pre-tuned reverb effects. Drag and drop on vocal channel and select sexy voice to improve your voice.
Editing is the coolest thing.
Or phone call to make it sound like you're on a phone.
Editing is the coolest thing.
And those are basically all the presets in the Essential pack. There are loads in there to play around with, and they should save you loads of time when editing your YouTube videos. Make sure that you go and check out www.storezar.com, sign up to our mailing list, and stay up to date with our most recent presets and courses. And also subscribe and make sure to check out our other tutorials on our other presets. Alright, see you later.